Hey guys, this is Mike from Tech Rat Reviews. Right now I'm going to do a little bit different of a video. I'm going to do an unboxing of a used N-64 I bought off eBay. I haven't opened this before obviously, so I'm going to start it. And now what it came with was the console itself, the cords, 2 controllers, and GoldenEye. And I'm a person who believes that, campaign is one of the most important parts of the game, not so much the multiplayer. That's why I really like, the N64, because they put a lot of emphasis on the campaign because all this multiplayer and online wasn't even around then. Oh, this is giving me a little trouble. Probably should have used something better than a pen. Oh well though. There's GoldenEye. One controller. 2 controllers. Power cord. AV cord. And then the console itself does have the pack in it as well. Overall, it looks in pretty good condition. A little dusty, but pretty old, so you can't want too much out of it. This is Mike from Tech Rat Reviews. Thanks for watching. Go check my other videos, comment, subscribe, click on the links below. You stay classy, go with God.